गरुडगमन तव चरणकमलमिह मनसि लसतु मम नित्यं। गरुडगमन तव चरणकमलमिह मनसि लसतु मम नित्यं। मनसि लसतु मम नित्यं। मम तापमपाकुरु देव, मम पापमपाकुरु देव, मम तापमपाकुरु देव, मम पापमपाकुरु देव। जलजनयन विधिनमुचिहरन मुखविबुधविनुतपदपद्मा। जलजनयन विधिनमुचिहरन मुखविबुधविनुतपदपद्मा। विबुधविनुतपदपद्मा। मम तापमपाकुरु देव, मम पापमपाकुरु देव, मम तापमपाकुरु देव, मम पापमपाकुरु देव। भुजगशयन भव मदन जनक मम जनन मरण भयहारी। भुजगशयन भव मदन जनक मम जनन मरण भयहारी। जनन मरण भयहारी। मम तापमपाकुरु देव, मम पापमपाकुरु देव, मम तापमपाकुरु देव, मम पापमपाकुरु देव। शङ्खचक्रधर दुष्टदैत्यहर सर्वलोकशरणा। शङ्खचक्रधर दुष्टदैत्यहर सर्वलोकशरणा। सर्वलोकशरणा। मम तापमपाकुरु देव, मम पापमपाकुरु देव, मम तापमपाकुरु देव, मम पापमपाकुरु देव। अगणित गुणगण शरण शरणद विदलित सुररिपुजाल। अगणित गुणगण शरण शरणद विदलित सुररिपुजाल। विदलित सुररिपुजाल। मम तापमपाकुरु देव, मम पापमपाकुरु देव, मम तापमपाकुरु देव, मम पापमपाकुरु देव। भक्तवर्यमिह भूरि करुणया पाहि भारती तीर्थम्। भक्तवर्यमिह भूरि करुणया पाहि भारती तीर्थम्। पाहि भारती तीर्थम्। मम तापमपाकुरु देव, मम पापमपाकुरु देव, मम तापमपाकुरु देव, मम पापमपाकुरु देव। गरुडगमन तव चरणकमलमिह मनसि लसतु मम नित्यम्। गरुडगमन तव चरणकमलमिह मनसि लसतु मम नित्यम्। मनसि लसतु मम नित्यम्। मम तापमपाकुरु देव, मम पापमपाकुरु देव, मम तापमपाकुरु देव, मम पापमपाकुरु देव।
भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है।
भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है।
सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है।
भारत माँ की रक्षा में जीवन कुर्बान है।
भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है। हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है।
हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है।
जन्मभूमि है हमारी शान से कहेंगे हम,
सभी तो भाई भाई प्यार से रहेंगे हम।
हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है।
Hello, is this Janaki from opposite to our flat? Yeah, I am Nisarga. I came from Shimoga to Bangalore. So what you should do? No, you have to talk to me. I like introducing myself to new people. I like making friends. I am actually opposite to your flat. Why not being friends? Why? What is wrong in being friends? I will come to your home at today 6 p.m. We will talk and we will know each other. I will bring my kids so that they will enjoy with your kids also. It has been a long time no since the kids have played with others. They should be a bit social also, not just sitting in home and watching TV. Hello, is this Shanta? Hello, is this Ramya? Hi Shanta. What you're doing? What else I will do? I finished everything in home. Still vessels are lying. Appa, my mother-in-law is there now. Another one. This thing for me. Every day she will sit in one place. I have to go give tea, coffee, everything I have to go. I have to go and give to her. She will never do anything to me. Not even one matchstick she will take and keep that side. Wait. Leave that. You know what? Where Shyam's daughter was going on road with one boy on one bike, that only backside it will be big no. Bike, backside it will be big no. That one. Where she was going alone with one boy, that too wearing short skirt below her knee. I never let my daughter to wear like that thing. And that too, you know which bike? My daughter was saying on Instagram it is very famous. What is that bike name? MTK bike. TKM bike. Wait, I think so, no. KTM, it seems on Instagram, Facebook, everywhere that photos are only there. Everywhere all the girls are KTM fans. My daughter also another one. She is calling her friend and telling, you know babe, I'm actually a KTM fan. I felt like going and giving her left and right. And by the way, what was happening in their home that day last night 10 p.m? So much loud noise of vessels and all. Any fight? What is the matter? You know? Hi Shanta. It had been a long time no, so I just came like to talk to you. The sari from morning I'm so tired. It's really very heavy, costly also. You know, my husband gifted it for my birthday. So he bought this sari from Kanchipuram and it costed really very much. He buys good clothes actually, of good quality. That day in kitty party your sari was a bit torn. I thought of telling you but it would be harsh, right? Whose phone is this? Oh, that gossipers, huh? this phone.
ಆಂಟಿ ನೀವು ಅವತ್ತು ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಏನಪ್ಪ?
ಅವತ್ತು ನೀವು ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಚರಂಡಿಲಿ.
Does Charandi mean, Shanta? Gutter. Oh, so he was asking me that he was telling me that I had fallen in gutter that day. He saw. Don't tell it to anyone, huh? By the way, he don't know to speak in English, huh? We and our kids and all speak in English at home. You know, there must be a standard of living. Ram. Just now my wife prepared nice chicken biryani. What is that downhouse girl, pa? Yo, 24-hour song she's putting in, irritating me night all. I can't sleep, pa. Yo, that you leave. Water is not coming properly. Let me call to that fellow. Kaveri fellow. Hey, what da? Don't know when to leave water to my home also. Eating you will forget, ah? No. After lockdown, these online delivery people are not working only properly. I ordered just now one pizza. It didn't come only. I'm still hungry. Where are you, sir? You don't know what is your responsibility, sir. I will put in Google. In that Google, after down of app, stars will come now. I will give only one for you, sir. You see. This society, no Ram, it will never develop. Every time it is like that. No one, not all can be like me, no. Not all can be society concerned like me, no. That pizza fellow is not bringing pizza. My Kaveri water is not coming. That girl is not offing her music only from morning to night, night to morning. That day, I went to Sham's home. Sorry, I ate chicken biryani now. That day, I went to Sham's home. Sham's daughter was sitting. She was taking in phone something. I was amused. Humans are turning to animals, animals are turning to humans. Huh? Why God has given this face? To do like dog, huh? Huh? Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook. What are these, huh? Instead, sit and read Mahabharata. High class knowledge you will get. What is that Snapchat? What to talk about society? One is one different. No one is like me. Not even my wife. You know what she'll say me? Do some work in home, I am tired. Is that the way they speak to husband? I said her, go see next house Revati, how she's treating her husband there. This country will never develop. Okay, Ram, I won't disturb you much. I have to eat another plate chicken biryani. Come to my home.
गोविंद म्हणा तुम्ही गोपाल म्हणा हरी नारायणा हरी म्हणा तुम्ही गोविंद म्हणा तुम्ही गोपाल म्हणा हरी नारायणा गोविंद गोपाल हरी नारायणा गोविंद गोपाल हरी नारायणा हरी म्हणा तुम्ही गोविंद म्हणा तुम्ही गोपाल म्हणा हरी नारायणा राम म्हणा घन राम म्हणा राज राम म्हणा सीताराम म्हणा राम म्हणा रघुराम म्हणा राज राम म्हणा सीताराम म्हणा हरी म्हणा तुम्ही गोविंद म्हणा तुम्ही गोपाल म्हणा हरी नारायणा हरी म्हणा तुम्ही गोविंद म्हणा तुम्ही गोपाल म्हणा हरी नारायणा श्याम म्हणा घन श्याम म्हणा राधे श्याम म्हणा आत्मा श्याम म्हणा श्याम म्हणा राधे श्याम म्हणा घन श्याम म्हणा आत्मा श्याम म्हणा हरी म्हणा तुम्ही गोविंद म्हणा तुम्ही गोपाल म्हणा हरी नारायणा श्याम म्हणा घन श्याम म्हणा श्याम म्हणा आत्मा श्याम म्हणा श्याम म्हणा हरी म्हणा तुम्ही गोविंद हरी म्हणा तुम्ही गोविंद म्हणा तुम्ही गोपाल म्हणा हरी नारायणा हरी म्हणा तुम्ही गोविंद म्हणा तुम्ही गोपाल म्हणा हरी नारायणा गोविंद गोपाल हरी नारायणा गोविंद गोपाल हरी नारायणा हरी म्हणा तुम्ही गोविंद म्हणा तुम्ही गोपाल म्हणा हरी नारायणा राम म्हणा घन राम म्हणा सीताराम म्हणा घन राम म्हणा राम म्हणा घन राम म्हणा सीताराम म्हणा लक्ष्मण राम म्हणा निजा 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 पनी 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 मप 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 रे मरे 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 निजा निजा पनी पनी मप मप रे मरे मरे सरे मरे मप पनी मप निजा पनी सा राम म्हणा घन राम म्हणा सीताराम म्हणा लक्ष्मण राम म्हणा राम म्हणा घन राम म्हणा सीताराम म्हणा लक्ष्मण राम म्हणा ममरे सरे रे सनी सा सनी पनी नि पम नि सरे म पनी सा सरे म पनी सा सरे म प मरे मरे म प मरे मरे सा सनी सनी पम पम पनी प मरे नि सा राम म्हणा घन राम म्हणा सीताराम म्हणा लक्ष्मण राम म्हणा हरी म्हणा तुम्ही गोविंद म्हणा तुम्ही गोपाल म्हणा हरी नारायण
बरसो रे मेघा मेघा बरसो रे मेघा मेघा बरसो रे मेघा बरसो मीठा है कोसा है बारिश का बोसा है कोसा है बारिश का बोसा है